show you how to change background color in Canva. So it is really easy. So let's get right into it. The first step is to just go to the website canva.com, and once you're in canva.com, you just need to create a new design, or you can go back to an old design as well. So now in order to change the background color, in order to do that, you just need to select this page right over here, and at the top you can see options like comment, background color, animate, position, and copy style. Just go ahead and tap on background color, and once you're there, look at the left corner where you can see options like photo colors. So after you choose these colors, this would also automatically change the background color. So if you want green, you can see the background color is now green, or pink, or something else, or dark green. It's completely your choice. So this is how you do it.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.